Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel and tutorial on how to make vertical stepper widget with 3 active, inactive and current modes with description for each step using Flutter. My name is Ali and in this video I'll guide you step by step on how to create a complete vertical stepper widget from scratch. First, I create a project called Vertical Stepper and specify the basic settings of the project such as project location, description, and organization. And then I create 2 folders for screens and widgets. Now I create home screen Dart file, import the material package, and create a stateless widget that returns a scaffold and a bar that shows the stage of getting a loan. And I put a single child scroll view in the body of the scaffold and give it a padding of 16 for the whole page. And now I set the settings related to material app and pass the home screen widget to home parameter in material app and reload the application. Alright, let's start and write the codes for vertical stepper. In widgets folder, I create a Dart file called vertical stepper. I import the material package and create a stateless widget, and then I will define the required variables. An integer variable for the current step index, a list of strings for title and another list for descriptions, a variable for tap action on steps, a trailing variable, and some variables for the color of the steps in different situations. and text style variables for styling titles and descriptions. Alright, let's implement the vertical stepper body. A stepper consists of a list of titles and descriptions. So I use the list view builder widget to scroll through the list of titles and descriptions. List view builder, item count, step titles dot length, shrink wrap true, and physics equals never scrollable physics. Inside item builder, I put a column and use a list style to display the title of the steps. And I set the list style action and now I use an circular avatar widget to display the index of the step. And inside circular avatar, if step index less than current index, I put a check icon for past steps, else an index text for other steps and style it. Now I display the title of the steps from the list of titles and make it bold. And now I set the trailing so that if you need, you can display the required widgets in front of the title. Very well, let's implement the description section. The description section should be displayed when the step is selected. And the next to it is a vertical separator that can adjust its height based on the size of the description text. After I put a padding, I put an intrinsic height widget inside it. Intrinsic height is a widget in Flutter that sizes its child based on child's intrinsic height. This widget is particularly useful when you have unlimited height available and when to prevent the child widget from expanding infinitely. Inside the row widget, I put a padding and I put a vertical divider widget inside it. A size box widget for spacing, and if step index equals current step index, expanded widget, and inside it a text widget that contains a step description. else another size box for spacing. Alright, let's import the widget and use it on the home screen. I change home screen to a stateful widget and I define the required variables. An integer variables for current step index, and required text variables. Now I import the vertical stepper widget and pass the required parameters. Current step index equals current step index variable. Step titles equals step titles list, and step descriptions equals step description list. And on top, final int value, set a state, current step index equals value. Pass the step background, pass the steps background color equals green color, current step background color equals a blue color, and next step's background color equals a gray color. And the step text color equals the white color. And finally, I run the project so you can see the result. Oh, our project has two problems. Let's fix the problems and finish the project. First, I need to set the background color of the circular avatar widget. Background color equals if step index less than current step index, pass the steps background color, else step index equals current step index, current step background color, else next step background color. And I change the padding and reload the project again. Thank you for watching, and if this video was useful for you, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. I will see you again in the next video.